Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Now this video is going to be really easy if and only if you know about what a strictly increasing array means. Okay, I have covered this concept in one of the previous videos. Okay, so like even if you don't know, I will show you like what is a strictly increasing array is. Let me show you directly here only. So basically a strictly increasing array means an array which has unique elements. It has two kind of properties. It has unique elements and it is in a sorted order. That means if I say let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, now this is a strictly increasing number. Okay, like if we convert it into array, this is going to be, okay, this is a strictly increasing array. But if I add 7 here, then it is not a strictly increasing array because we now have equivalent values. Okay, so we don't need that. Now the question says that we are given an array, okay, and we need to convert it into a strictly increasing array. So how will we do that? Okay, so let me take an example here for 1 1 1. Okay, now if you will see here, what we want to do is we need to convert this into a strictly increasing array using like minimum operations. Okay, so for that the main thing that we will check is that if the position that we are at, we will start from first index, will not be starting from 0 index, because 0th index will always be is always going to be a strictly increasing one. Okay, because it has only one value. Now starting from first position, we will check if the value at first index is less than or equal to the value just before that. In that case, what we will do is we will, let's say we are at ith position. Okay, if that is less than or equal to I minus 1, okay, in that case what we will do is we will subtract these two values and add 1 to it. Okay, because if I subtract this, okay, let's say if I subtract 1 minus 1, okay, it will give us 0, and after this 0 I will add plus 1. Okay, so this will give me value equals to 1. Now this 1 is the minimum operation that we need to convert these two values into a strictly increasing array. So I will add this 1 to this value. Okay, so now this will become 2. Okay, it's really that simple. Now these two values are strictly increasing. Okay, now let's jump to the third one. Same thing, if we will check if ai is less than or equal to ai minus 1, then what we'll do is 2 minus 1, okay, that will give us 1, and we'll add 1, so this will give us 2. Now I will add these 2 to this value. Okay, so 2 plus 1 is now 3, and now we have converted our value to our array to a strictly increasing array. Okay, now one more thing that we need to take care is we need to store what we are adding to this. Okay, we need to return these values. Okay, 1 that we added at first index, 2 that we added to the second index. Okay, so let's jump into the code now. It's really simple. So first we need that result. Okay, so for that, result equals to 0. Okay, I will travel through our array. Okay, and I will convert this. I will be starting with from 1, not 0. Okay, and now what we'll check, if a of I is less than or equal to a of, sorry, it's nums, right? Sorry about that. Nums of I minus 1. If this is the case, what we'll do is we'll store our value. Which value? Nums of I minus 1 minus nums of I plus 1 here. Okay, and after this what we'll do is first we'll add our this temporary value to result, because this is the step that we are doing to convert, like this is the operation we are doing to convert to a strictly increasing array, and we need to make these changes into our array as well. So what I'll do is ai plus equals to temp. our task is done. I will simply return the result. Let me submit this. Okay, I made this mistake again. It's nums. Let me check if I have done this anywhere else or not. Okay, so let me submit this. Okay, so it's really that simple. I hope you like this video, and these kind of small things we will be using, like they are very helpful if we know the basic concept and basic properties of such things, right? So yeah, I hope you like this video. Do let me know if you have any other suggestions or queries or doubts for me from any other platform. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep coding.